What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you all this weird ground cover that I planted on a whim that turned out to be a stroke of genius. Over the last few years, I've been experimenting with growing edible ground covers underneath my fruit trees as a way to both pack more food into a small area, but also support the trees by keeping the roots cool and keeping weed pressure down. And also, a lot of edible ground covers have insect repellent properties. To this date, I've mostly grown herbs and also edibles like strawberries, and I have had great results doing all of these things. But about 2 months ago, I decided to branch out and try a very unorthodox ground cover that I've never really seen grown before as a ground cover. That plant is right behind me. Can you guess what it is by looking at it? On the left, I have a persimmon tree, and on the right, I have a pluot tree. After I was done transplanting my garden out in early April, I had 2 Iznik cucumber plants left over. And I figured, just for the heck of it, I would try planting these 2 plants in between these 2 fruit trees and see how they perform as a ground cover. Iznik is a Ganessus parthenocarpic variety of cucumber, which means it produces only female flowers, no male flowers, and it does not require pollination. And what's crazy about this variety is it's supposed to be kind of a smaller variety that is kind of compact. And as you can see, this variety has grown almost out of control, producing huge, lush, healthy leaves. The primary purpose of a ground cover is to protect the soil from harsh sun and also to snuff out any weeds from germinating. And it appears to have done a great job of both of these things. I don't see a single weed anywhere in all of these cucumber leaves. But what I do see is tons of cucumber production. I mean, everywhere you look, there are cucumbers, cucumbers, cucumbers. And look at all of those little babies forming there. Isn't that incredible? And what's really crazy about this is I never fertilized any of these. They are just growing in the compost that I top dressed my fruit trees with. So let's dig through these cucumber vines and see how many cucumbers I can harvest. It looks like there are a ton here. Now, I did have to toss about half of the cucumbers into the woods that a bunch of worms got to, and unfortunately, that's the reality when you grow cucumber vines on the ground and not vertically. They are more susceptible to pest pressure, but remember, these are basically free cucumbers. You get free food and you also get to use them as an edible ground cover. And as you can see, I got a ton of cucumbers from this harvest. I mean, this must weigh 10 pounds, and there are still a whole bunch of small cucumbers on the vine in the process of getting larger. So don't be afraid to get creative with your ground covers. I give cucumbers an A+ as a ground cover, and as for what I'm going to do with all of these, well, I guess I'm having a cucumber salad and making pickles tonight. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.